Remember on my previous vlog I said I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the MRP or the MRP Home stuff that I got, because I think I only showed you the ones from the actual, like, the clothing store. So yeah, thought I should do that now. Just finished work, so it's a Friday. It's a Friday. Here's the bag. It's a lot of items, you guys. It's just a few items. I love this neck piece. Try zoom in, show you guys. I got it for Sheeny a while back. You guys see? Ooh. Okay, the first thing I got is this. What is this called? Flower clip. I got these by the Christmas stuff. So I'm guessing I can put this like in my hair when we're having like the Christmas lunch. I know it's early, guys, but you know, these things closer to Christmas, they're gonna be so ridiculously expensive, and everything nice is gonna finish also. So this is the price, $29.99, because we usually have like our own Christmas thing. Second thing that I got is also a Christmas item. These are $49.99. What cute are these, guys? I feel like they're focusing on me. That's how they look. I think these you can just put on the table. So when you set up our Christmas decor lunch, Christmas lunch decor, we can use that. Oh, I'm so sleepy. It's really hot today as well. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm yawning so much. I actually had to switch off the camera just so I can. Oh. This is the next item. How cute is it? It's a mug. It was $35.99. So when my friend showed it, she saw them first, because when you entered the store, I got distracted by these Christmas things, and she was looking for, like, you know, those bamboo spice containers. She was looking for that. So then when she called me eventually because I was standing there for long. She was like, hey, you've been there. Then she showed me this, and she was like, what does it remind you of? Just look at it and tell me what it. And I was like, they look like those like you said, Max, tell me if you see it. Tell me if you see it. I don't think I have anything like this in my cupboard, so I really love the color. Excuse the sound of the door, guys. It's a bit windy. That's how my thing fell yesterday. I got two of them. I don't think I had to show you. This is the second one, so I only got two because you guys know the problem that I have in this house. The space issue. Wait, I'm very thirsty. Also, these earrings are also from Shein. Ooh. Here they are. I feel like they're cute. And then this is the bracelet that I got from Shein as well. Okay, let's continue. Let us continue. The next item I got is this glass. Guys, how cute is this glass? It's a bit on the pricier side. It's $59.99. I'm sure for some people it's not expensive, but for me it's expensive for one glass. 60 rand, guys. But it's not like, you know, those. Let me show you the ones I'm gonna refer to. These ones, I think they were also 60 rand. or Mr. Price Home. These are a bit plasticky. These are actual clouds. They're not like too plasticky. What's wrong? No, he's not, my baby. He's not, okay? Chase is not coming out at all, I promise you.
It's not coming out.
Yes, Papa. So this is the second one, guys. I only got 2. One because of the price, second because of space. But yeah, I really like this glass as well. Same price. And then I just got curtain stuff. What are they called? Check gliders and hooks, brass hooks. Yeah, these ones. There's 50 of them. Yeah, brass hooks is the name. 30 Rand, 29.99. And these are check gliders. These are 15.99. So it's 15 here, 15, 50 here, and 50 here, and I got 2 of each. Yeah, that's it, guys. So now, what do I want to do, guys? There's so much to do, so little time, so little energy. Adulting. How do you guys do it? Let me go, guys. We will check later.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep.
A few moments later.
Okay, done.
Shower.
Go back. Go stand there. Go stand there. Mommy's taking a video. Go. Guys, they're singing Uptown Funk. Uptown Funk. Yeah. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey.
Stop. Wait a minute. Wait.
Stop. Did you stop? Wait a minute, Jongi.
Stop. Breathe.
Stop. Wait a minute. Yay.
Breathe.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Ha!
Ha.
Don't believe it, right? Don't. Ha!
Ha.
Ha!
Yo.
Don't believe
Uptown Funk you up.
what the fuck? Ha! Don't believe Polly. It's a pony. I'm fuck you up. That is a pony. They have pony. Pony.
Hey.
Take.
Somebody.
Pony. Don't believe.
Stop. Don't believe me, just watch.
Dog. My daughter. Ah. Mommy, I did not. I'm you. Because of my dad.
Hey, Zuzu.
Dodo.
No. La Karina. Hey, Macarena. Macarena tu aqui ongama. No. Eh, Macarena. Ai, go show Adzi. Ngama.
I see. Yeah, two.
Hey guys, welcome to a new day. I don't remember if we spoken today or not. It's a Saturday afternoon. It's what time is it now? 1 o'clock, 5 minutes past 1. We are going to ABC Suites. It's in Centurion. It's actually very close to my old house, and I used to see it a lot, but I assumed it's expensive until I saw it recently. I saw it on TikTok. Yeah, people were saying how affordable it is, and I'm like, no man, I know this shop, but they were talking about the one in Arcadia and Pretoria Central. But I'm gonna go to that one because they sell really affordable snacks, guys, and I think some people actually stock there. You know, the people that sell these snack boxes, I think they stock there. I'm gonna go buy stuff for Zuzu's patty packs for the party at home. So let's go, guys. I can't even show you outfit of the day because my mirror is broken, so I'm really sad about that. So let's go, guys. Come say hi.
Let me see your shoes. Is this glass?
No, they're not glass. I don't know the shoes. I'm wearing a peplum top with blue jeans and shoes because my toes look terrible, guys. The shoes that Zuzu is saying are glass. Yo, guys, my toes. I have nail polish, but yo, it's chipped and it looks really bad. So I think I'll opt for these. Look at Jongama's shoe. Oh, wow. Oh, got me. I love your shoes. Big brother, and he refuses to wear sandals and stuff. He just wants to wear tackies. Okay, let's go. Ke may ganyan. Yeah, it's a little real. Mare, you talk about Raban sometimes about like we bonnet. Maybe had the party said he did.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels
guys, the store here has such bad service. I think you should only come here if and when you're desperate. First of all, the website says the store closes at 3, right? Hi, at 2 they say they're closing and we must go pay. So even if we were inside the store, we couldn't shop as we pleased because we were rushed to the till. Everyone literally complained. You know, like all the ladies that were standing here, they were complaining, saying, guys, the website says it closes at 3, but they rushed us out. And now we're waiting for the Uber. They want their trolley, guys. Like, so what are we supposed to do? So we literally unpacked everything just so that they can take their lousy trolley. I'm upset, guys. I come here at your own risk, guys. I don't know what's happening, but I'm not happy with the service. So I don't even think we got everything that we need. We might come back, we might not come back. We'll see how it goes, but the service here was not great at all. At all. You can't even use a trolley. Hi, guys. We move. This isn't. Yeah. I don't even know. I don't think I should. Look at our old car. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Hey, Manama. Hey, what's the nut there? Is it here?
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
Hi, guys.
Hey, hi guys. Look at my cat. Sit. This one is safe. This one is rubber. This is safe and this is rubber and this is muscle. Yeah.
Okay.
And mommy. Do you want a waffle? I want a waffle also.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way.
Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria.
Mommy, we sit in a walk where we sit in a rocky class when we are going to play outside.
Really?
Everybody wants to be sitting for a lot of times.
She wants to sit in.
A lot of times.
But when you play a lot, my baby, you must let Nefertari take a break, okay? Who sits in the bulky class? The other kids, the kids from the beauty class also. Who sits in the bulky class? Just you guys in your class. Who's everyone? The other class also.
No.
Just your class.
Yeah.
But Nefertari, if you want to take a break, you must let her. Ne? Even Yongi, when you have a lot of energy, you wanna play all the time. Remember, baby?
And I don't rest.
Yeah, you don't rest.
And sometimes I sleep.
Yeah, sometimes you sleep. But sometimes you don't sleep at school. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when after eating, we pee in the toilet and we sit in stoop outside and we read a book and then we eat our food first and then we play outside first and we stand in the row.
You eat a roll?
And we stand in a row.
Oh, you stand in a row, yes. Where to go eat?
And yes.
Okay.
And when we are done eating, we ask for more food.
You ask for more food?
Yeah.
And what do you do when you ask for more food? Oh, you lift your hand like that?
But I ate 5 food at school.
5? And they give you 5?
Yeah.
Really?
And then sit. And then the MRP said, I will grow.
Oh, you will grow big because you eat a lot.
Yeah.
That's good.
And me and Nefertari both ate 3.
Nefertari also eats a lot.
Yeah. But sometimes.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Some time thinking about the day that we met. I love to see you smile. Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today I have planned it out so carefully. I know the things that you like. For you all day, all night. 'Cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself. Show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. I can't take my eyes off you. I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you. And now it's time to say
we got these 8-score food lovers and they included this. So Nanda's has a new seasoning. How cool. Can't wait to try it out. Hey?
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?